Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Alice and this is my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I turn this hand drawing into a digital illustration. As you can see, this hand drawing is pretty simple and cute. So let's start with a new layer. First, I draw a circle and fill it with a soft pink color, kind of like a skin tone. Then I use a different brush to start drawing the wings. Since this is the first sketch, it's okay if it's rough. We can always adjust the shape later. Once the lines are done, I grab the same color and fill it in on the other side. Now let's move on to the character. Can you guess what this image represents? Well, it's a cute little character and to me, it symbolizes a new planet from the universe. Next, I finish coloring the blue here. Then I quickly sketch the eyes of this star character. I make the eyes big, cute and bright because this is a very new planet. For the lips, I create a new layer again. If you've seen some of my previous work, you will recognize this style. I like to make the lips look a bit like a cat's. Now that we've completed the basic shapes, we can start adding details. I choose another brush to add texture to the face, making it brighter and smoother. Then I add some orange to the layout for a cute texture. The idea for this drawing comes from one of my favorite TV programs, Star Trek. It's a very famous and classic show, all about traveling through space, meeting alien species, and facing all sorts of challenges. The story focuses on exploration, diversity, and working for peace. Another one of my favorite science fiction movies is Star Wars. Unlike Star Trek, Star Wars focuses more on the battlefield between good and evil. Set in a galaxy far, far away, it revolves around a conflict between the Jedi and the Sith, with themes of heroism, destiny, and power. Star Wars is more of an epic adventure story, filled with space battles, action, and a hero's journey. Both of these shows remind me that there's so much out there that we still don't know about, and exploring these unknowns is an exciting adventure. I also believe that everything has consciousness, whether it's humans, nature, animals, or plants. That's why I give this new character a face and a curly hair, as well as wings so he can fly anywhere he wants. As you can see, I'm adding more details to the eyes to make them even cuter. Then I adjust the lips a little more, making them smooth and fitting the character's style. Whenever I need a color, I just tap it to select it, and it's very easy to do it in Procreate. So right now I'm almost done with the face, and I will move on to the hair. I will add some details to the hair to make it look even smoother and more defined. Okay, then keep going with the wings and add more details, and we can always adjust the shape and the colors as we like. Yeah, finish! Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like it. Have a nice day and I will see you next week. Bye!